how to connect GoDaddy domain to WordPress website. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to add your GoDaddy domain into your WordPress so that when you're visiting your WordPress website, you no longer need to enter a subdomain based on WordPress. We could now simply use the domain that we use for our website. So first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to open the dashboard of your website over here. What you're going to do is you're going to look over here on the right side on the quick links over here. Simply click on add a domain. Adding a domain over here will allow us to have our own domain. So as you can see here, already own a domain on the bottom part. Click on, you can use it as a site address. Simply enter your URL. Click on continue to begin the process of connecting. The connecting it is very straightforward. As you can see here, it would allow you to have two options. You either transfer your domain directly to your WordPress website. So it will take it from GoDaddy, or you could also connect your domain over here. Whichever one do you prefer, you could go out with it. And of course, connecting it would require some billing. So simply enter the necessary information and you will then be able to connect your WordPress with your GoDaddy domain. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.